Hello, welcome to today's video. We're gonna do these brows. Okay, the brows need to be done. And I have all the tools I need from Winky Lux. So we're gonna start off with first the Unibrow Universal Pencil. Then we're gonna get in there with some Precision, the Unibrow Precision. I'm gonna use my Unibrow Gel. And if we get crazy, I might even use the tinted Unibrow Gel as well. So let's see how this goes, but I'm gonna let you come along for the ride in real time, okay? No cuts, no edits. Let's do this. So I might be looking over here and over here because I need to make sure I know what I'm doing while telling you what's going on for the ride. So my brows have nothing on them. I've done absolutely nothing. So starting off with brushing them with the Unibrow Universal Pencil. Let's just go ahead and brush them. Brush up, up, up. When in doubt, brush it out, okay? So you get to kind of see all your imperfections. Like I have a bald spot there. And this eyebrow just has given up on me. But that is okay. So first I'm going to, after brushing it out with the Universal Brow Pencil, I'm going to use the bottom. I always start bottom up. And I'm going to go from here. I might use a little bit of my mirror over here and start from the bottom. So it's like as if I got my eyebrows done. But I didn't. Now, a lot of you might be like, wait, stop. Aren't you supposed to start with the gel? So I like to do this first, and then I go in with the gel. So I always like to say there's no rules. There's only recommendations. I personally, there goes my knee. I personally love to color it in first, and then I do the gel after. Now, how have there been days where I was like, let me give this a try, and I did it out of order? Absolutely. So I did my under, right? Now I'm going to do, it's just like lining it up. Remember when you used to draw in the color book back in the days? The same thing. So now I'm going to outline the top, and I don't start here. I start here. And I go here. Now you might be like, I do my eyebrows way better than you. Then don't consider this a tutorial. Consider this a watch what I do. This is how one person does it. You know, the great thing is all of our eyebrows have so much personality that goes with our faces, so we can kind of figure it out on our own. So I have not colored in the inside yet, okay? I'm going to use my gel next. So the Unibrow Gel is next. Now I'm going to use the gel, but I haven't colored them in yet. So it has this cool little brush, and then it's flat on the other side, if you can see that. So I'm going to brush with the gel, just like I did in the beginning. Up, up, up. Okay, I'm going to dip it again and brush up, up, up. Now, it's still kind of fluffy. Are fluffy eyebrows in? Absolutely. But in case you're wondering how people get them to like lock in place, that's what the top side is. That's why it's flat on one side. Now I'm just going to press. Press, press, press. Oh, I love this gel from Winky Lux. So good. I'm not even going to re-dip. It's more about the pressing than how much gel you have on your brows. Okay. You see that? Look at her. She's coming alive. All right. So now that they're pressed, sorry, I really like them pressed. I like them like that. Now we're done. 2 of our tools are good to go. So we started off with the Unibrow Universal Pencil, then Unibrow Gel. Now I'm going to fan these out. Fan them out. I like doing this in real time because sometimes people cut, you know, clips of how they did it and you don't get to see how long does your eyebrows really take. So without gel, my eyebrows usually take like 5 minutes or less. But with the gel, I add like 2 minutes because I want it to dry. Because if you have them wet, if I just start using the Unibrow Precision, it would just move them all around. So is it hair? Will it move naturally? Yes. But I want it to be at least halfway dry before I go in here. Now, the point of the Unibrow Precision is the fact that it's so much skinnier than the Unibrow, because the Unibrow I kind of just use as a base. I'm going to use this to draw little hairs. So, little hairs up, little hairs up. Just so it doesn't look like someone just colored it in. The hair look is in. And what's great about this is it gives you the color of your brow depending on how hard you push. That's what makes it universal. And I kind of like a little bit of imperfections in my brow in terms of like, I want them to look good, but like I naturally have a bald spot, so I don't like color it in crazy, just a little bit, right? Because sometimes you don't want your eyebrows to look like a stamp. You want them to still look like natural eyebrows, right? Quote unquote, the natural look, and things that are natural look a little imperfected. Now, I could easily stop right there and brush one more time just to like get them a little perfect. But I told you if we get crazy, I'm going to use a Unibrow tinted gel. I want to show you if you feel like, okay, you need a lot more coloring in than that. I want to show you how I can use this tinted gel to add some color. Okay, so this is what the spoolie looks like. It's very teeny, very cute. And I'm gonna lightly, I like to start on the ends because I don't want to have too much product in the beginning. See how I'm just brushing? Brush up, brush up. You're kind of get a 2-for-1 over here because I was gonna already brush my brows. So if you feel like you're not getting that brushed hair look from the Precision as much as you want, or you feel like I'm not getting it, you know, this is the way to go. But I love honestly using all of them, as you can see. So see how much more filled in that is? Ooh, so good. Let's do the other side. And then we'll be done. So I didn't even have to dip it back into the bottle. Love it. Look at those brows. So now I'm gonna brush up, up, up. I like it fluffy on the top. Remember, it's your prerogative. See how it's like my bald spot's colored in a little bit, but not too crazy. So beautiful. Not me, my eyebrows. Okay, the last step. Sometimes people don't want that fluff, fluff, fluff on the top. So I'll go back to the brush of the Unibrow and I'll just go along the top like this. Bam! Look at that. And look at that. So good! So my eyebrows are done. I don't look crazy like when I first got on this video. So all those products are linked down below. You can get them from Winky Lux. The next time you see me, I'm going to show you how I use the viral under eye concealer from Winky Lux. And you can see how great it looks and how great it works as well. So I'll catch you in the next video because that one is coming up soon. See you next week.